Hayi sidinga ucoach fethu. Yeah, the sooner the better. Yabo sidinga umqeqeshi. Yabona, at least we got 13 games left this season. So if you can get a coach, abona ukuthi who si mela release bani, then actually pre-season yakhe, then next season we can compete. But for now, I labatolika ayehluleka mnganami. Bayehluleka. So we need a coach. That's what I can say. We need a coach.
Realistically speaking, mfethu ngicela ungitshela usasene hope ukuthi Chiefs isase kuyo i-title race league.
No. No, let's be honest. Let's be honest. We are out. You know, we are out. We're not consistent. Like, I mean, if you lose against Stellenbosch, who are you gonna win against? The time we started Stellenbosch, Stellenbosch had 16 games, 16 points. The time we started now, and we failed to beat them. Like, I mean, we're playing a team that is I think they were number 14 that time when we were playing them. They had 16 games, 16 points. But we failed to beat them. So if you can't beat those teams, who are you going to beat? Today, it was just a confirmation that Kaizer, we're not doing well. This is a confirmation. It could have been 5, it could have been 6, it could have been worse. But it's 3-0, you know. But as Love and Peace supporters, we'll take it and we move on. But OPOP and the Arab, the management, they need to get a coach. Like, they need to get a coach.
But ngicela unginikeze imali of the match yakho ya today. Sibheke kudlaleka kamnandi today on either team.
No. The man of the match is Belebele, but I was impressed with Miguel Fethu. He's Vikela Mbuso. I know most of Kaizer supporters, they don't like the guy. But to be honest with you, he rescued us. If it was not for him, it could have been worse. You know, Miguel, for me, overall on the game, is Belebele, but for Kaizer, I'll say Miguel. Yeah. Miguel, yeah, he did what he had to do, especially for someone who came from injury. He didn't play 3 previous games, but today he came and he defended you know, he showed people that we need him. Unfortunately, Vuma, we didn't. I can't comment about Vuma. You know, yeah, we lost before it started. I was shocked. I was shocked to see. Yeah.